Alright folks, today I'm going to be scrapping this Aiwa radio I got out of the garbage. It's from December of 1999. It's got a 3-disc CD changer in it, tape radio, whatever you could want. Holy shit, ski. See what I got going on. Oh yeah. Lots of stuff up there, folks, as you can tell. As you can tell. Already busted a big ass piece off. Holy shit, ski. Oh yeah. Like some aluminum. Holy shit. Let's see if there's any CDs in there. Chop that bee straight out. Yep, that's pretty much going to be scrapping a radio ski right there. Holy shit. I'll undo you here. Show you what we got in this pile. Best thing is probably going to be this transformer. That's where all my copper is going to be. Next best thing, probably that big ass aluminum heat sink type deal. Oh yeah. Yep, I beat the shit out of that thing, eh? Smashed it into a bunch of pieces. A little bit of copper there. Big ass piece of tin. And got a little circuit board action going on behind here. Alright, I'm going to finish busting this stuff up. I'll get it in a big pile, show you what we get. Holy shit, ski. Alright folks, finally got that transformer beat out of that spot. Now I got like this microwave type transformer. I'm going to have a bunch of copper there, so I got to smack that piece out. Holy shit, ski. Alright folks, the radio is scrapped. I got a little bit of plastic there. I busted that big ass transformer down. That's all the copper I got out of it. Probably about $2.50 worth, because it's $2.50 a pound. Figure that's about a pound. Then I got a little bit of unclean copper wire there. That stuff goes for $1 a pound at my scrapyard. Aluminum ski. Under 50 cents a pound now. It was at 50 cents for a while and never went down, but now it's going down for some reason, ski. Got a little electric motor ski there. There's another electric motor here on this tape player. I'm gonna get that little bit of copper out of there and there. Got a bunch of tin ski here, which is going for $190 a ton. Oh yeah, just took a load in. We know what the tin ski is going for. Yep, that's scrapping a radio ski. Now I'm gonna scrap out a TV and probably a couple other things. Holy shit.